since I discovered that I can use apps and AI tools to enhance the quality of my video, enhance my searchability, my visibility on social media, I have not stopped using them. In my last video, this one up here, I mentioned the different AI tools that I use to edit my videos or that I use to enhance visibility on my channel. And then I promised in that video that I was going to be talking about how to use VidIQ for your YouTube channel, also how to use Canva for your YouTube channel, and how to also use CapCut to edit your videos for your YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be specifically talking about how to use VidIQ, to enhance the quality of your YouTube videos. How to use VidIQ. It doesn't matter the niche you are in, it doesn't matter what kind of video you are doing, it doesn't matter what kind of content you're putting out. You can work with VidIQ to make your YouTube searchability, visibility better. And this is how I usually do it. So please just watch this video to the end. Don't not be in a haste to click off. If not, you will not be able to get what I'm about to share here. And yeah, if you don't know me yet, I am VidIQ, and this is Grow with This channel. You are welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you are seeing my channel, right, I am really grateful, and I'm saying please subscribe to my channel. Do not just click away. Kindly show your support and leave a subscribe for me. I'm promising that by the end of this video, you will be excited, you'll be glad you watched, because you're going to be getting value for your fine. Okay, so I'm just going to go right into the tutorial. Permit me to show you using my second phone, and I would like us to actually practice this together. Just in case you don't know what VidIQ is, VidIQ is an app that creators use alongside their YouTube app. It gives us suggestions on titles, topics. It gives us it helps you. Don't worry, when we get into the video, you understand what really the app is about. VidIQ, they're also here on YouTube. They create videos that help YouTube creators, that help creators, content creators generally, to make good quality videos. So you can really search for them on YouTube and get to watch some clips from them that will help you on your YouTube journey. But like I said, for today's tutorial, we're going to be working with the app. So all you need to do, I'm going to be showing you with my phone, my VidIQ app, so I can show you how to download afresh, like download it on your phone and then get to use it. So you will come down to your Play Store or your Apple Store, depending on the phone you're using, and you type in VidIQ. Now this particular one that is downloading now, that's the logo you're going to see. So you click on that and then get to download it. Done downloading it, I'm going to click on open. I'm going to click on open. I'm going to click on open and then get to log into the VidIQ. I already have this on my phone, but I'm going to delete it for this tutorial. So this is the video that I want to include tags, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on that one. Now the reason why VidIQ is very important is because it helps you to really see how your video is, how much optimization you have done on your video. Right here you have thumbnail, you have title, thumbnail, details, SEO, and then checklist. If I click on this checklist, you will notice that most of them are in red, right? Most of the things here, they are all in red. For me to have this video properly optimized, I will need to come back. I need to go back to the video rather, and then edit what I need to edit so that I can have it looking better, right? I can have all the tags turned on. So let's do this together. The good thing is I can change all of the title, I can change the title, the descriptions, everything can be done right here. Now another important app that I need you to have is the ChatGPT app, or you can use Meta AI. For me, I use ChatGPT. So please join me as I get to my ChatGPT app to generate description. I already did that before, so I'm not going to go back to it. Copy and then go back and do all of the editing that I need to do. I've already done this before, so So now I'm on ChatGPT and I used this prompt. I said I made a video about how to check if a video have a copyright claim before uploading. Now I already have a conversation and this was the response. Now I still went on to say it's for YouTube and I need title, description, SEO, keywords and hashtags, and then it gave me all of these suggestions. Now I can either use this one to give or one of this one it gave or I'm going to go ahead and create my own title for the video. Now for the video description, it gave me all of the description, including timestamps. I'm just going to go ahead and edit this when I'm including it on my video. Then for the SEO keywords, it gave me this and then gave me these hashtags. So now what I need to do is here I'm going to start with here actually. I already have this copy code. I'll just copy. I'll click on this copy code. I don't know if it says copy. Let me check. I'll click on that and I'm going to go back to the VidIQ app and then I'm going to start editing. I'm going to start with I'm going to click on details, right? I'll click on details and then I'm going to include the subtitle. I'm going to include my hashtags. I'm going to include my hashtags right here. I'm going to paste this, including my hashtags. Remember, it's advisable not to use too many hashtags so that you don't confuse the algorithm. Use hashtags that are related to your video. Use hashtags that are searchable. Use hashtags that are meaningful. Don't use hashtags that don't have anything to do with your video. I always like to add user freaks as a hashtag in my videos, right? So I'll grow with V rather. Hashtag grow with V. This is my other channel. Grow with. Hashtag grow with V. And then I come down here to where I have add tags. Remember what I said before that I can add tags from my YouTube studio and I can add tag here. I love to add tag from here because it makes it a whole lot easy for me. Now for each tag that is suggested to me for this particular video, you will see that they are showing me the percentage, right? They're showing me the percentage of its visibility, right? They're showing me the percentage. Now before I get to use that, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and just copy out the suggested ones that ChatGPT gave me. I'm going to go ahead and copy out the ones that ChatGPT gave to me. And I'm going to add it there first before I go ahead. I'll copy, go back to the VidIQ app, go back to the VidIQ app, and then I'm going to add that. Minimum length. Okay, that particular one is too long, so I'm just going to drop it here on my description. In fact, let me go back and copy all my description so I can easily you know upload from. I can easily edit from here. So I'll just come back here and copy the rest of them and go ahead and include them all in my description. So anyone that cannot use for my tag is definitely going to be in the description. In fact, even the ones I'm using for my tag, they are all still going to be showing here in my description. So I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to go back. Like I said, I'm going to copy, go back to tags, edit, copy, go back to tags, edit, and until I'm done with the final one, at least the ones that I want to use. So they said the first one is too long. I'm going to skip that one. I'm going to take YouTube copyright check 2025, copy, go to tag. I'm going to come here and now paste it. You see, this one doesn't have an issue, it can be added. I'll come here and I'll paste it, and I'm going to use this tick here to OK it. I'll click on this and it has entered. Now I'll go back again. I'll copy another one. Avoid copyright strikes. I'll copy another one. Avoid copyright strike on YouTube. I'll copy this. Come back to my tags and include them. I'm going to. That's also too long. Alright. So let's just try to keep it simple. I'm going to be looking for the ones that are really short. Upload without copyright issues. I hope this is short enough. So I'm going to copy this as well and go paste it there at the tag area. Okay, all right. I think this isn't going to work the way I want it to work. Content ID claim. This is short. I can just let me play around it. Or okay, better still, let me just come and use the suggestions that I have from recommended. So I'm going to just keep clicking on them. I'll keep clicking on as many as I can. I'll click on them, but ensuring that I check them out to see if they are related to my video and if they are relevant to my video. So I'm just going to click on all of those. Now these ones I still have here, I can still shorten them, right? I can say maybe YouTube copyright tool instead of putting tutorial. I can say YouTube copyright tool. I'm going to come here and include it. If this is a good hashtag, I'll say it. It's going to show me that it's a good hashtag, right? If it's not, okay, see it. YouTube copyright tool is a good hashtag. It's in yellow. If it's a poor one, it's going to be showing in red. Okay, so I'm just going to keep clicking. I'll keep clicking all the suggestions that VidIQ gives to me. Now, see what I said about one being in red. Notice how this one is in red. It simply shows that the data is not so strong, right? The SEO word is not so strong. So I'm going to click on it actually so that they can give me more recommendations. If I already have um search words that I want to use, if I already have some search words I want to use, I can just go ahead and then manually enter them in, right? Manually enter them in. But for now, let me just still use the ones that VidIQ has provided, so I can move on to this tutorial. Not all the hashtags. You mustn't use all the SEO keywords. So use the ones that are relevant and the ones that are relating to your what's it called, your niche or the video that you're putting out here. Don't just pack copy. Don't just pack SEO tags and that are not relevant. So you're just going to be confusing the algorithm. They won't know who to show your video to, right? So I've added this. I've added this. Add enough so that when you put it, you're going to see the difference. So I'm going to come back to my title. I said how to check for copyright claim before uploading on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to now click on publish changes to. I'm going to click on publish changes. Now this is what it's showing me that I've not linked up the YouTube channel to the video, and it's true. Remember I said I deleted it, so I need to do that process again by clicking on authorize with YouTube. I'll click on authorize with YouTube and I allow it to open up. I'll allow this to open up and I'll pick the particular channel that I want to use. I want to use this one, Retro Ali African Woman Series. That's my account for this channel. I'll click on that, allow it to load, and then continue. And this has successfully been entered. This has successfully been entered, right? So I'm going to now continue with. Now if you check up here when you have SEO, you notice that it has changed. Instead of 0 that was showing before, it has changed to 23. Before it was at 0, now it's 23, meaning that I've I've done some settings that are that are making sense. So I'm going to click on checklist. Now if you look at this, you will notice that everything is now tagged, everything is now showing in green. It's no longer red. They're no longer red because I have done all of the settings that I'm supposed to do correctly. I've included hashtag on my title. I have one tag in the description, I have links and all of that. So this is good. But I always prefer that the score is at 25, at least 25 over 50 instead of 23 or below 23. I always prefer that it's over 50. So I go ahead and read what it's okay. This way I have 3%, 3 marks over 10. The same keywords used in title, description, and tag. So I'm going to go back to my title. I'll come back to my title here, and I'm going to copy out the title I use exactly the way it is. They need me to include it in my description, right? I'll copy this out. Come back to my details. I'll come back to the details. I'm going to just include it there. I'm going to include it there. So I said want to avoid copyright strikes or demonetization on your YouTube. In this video, let me use the semicolon. In this video, semicolon, I'm going to now paste that thing that I have copied. I said in this video how to check. I can use a quotation so that you know that is this particular video I'm talking about. Um, I'll show you simple way to check if your videos have the copyright claim before uploading it. Now I'm done with this. I'm just going to go ahead and upload. Let's see if this affects the score that I have here for my SEO. I have had times when I do these settings and at that SEO I'm saying 27, 28, and then 30. I've even seen 30 before, and then it simply means that the hashtags, the keywords that I've used are actually um, visible, they're actually searchable, right? That what it simply means. Now we are done with this. With this, you are completely done with editing and publishing your video. So like I already mentioned from the beginning of this video, I said there are 3 things you need to do after uploading, and they are actually in sets. The first set is to include your title, description, and all of those important informations. The second set is to go ahead and do your end screen and your cards. Then the last one is to add captions to your video. I'm really hoping that you were able to, if you actually did watch to this point, it simply means that you found this valuable. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you. I'm hoping that you're going to, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment, share the link to your friends and contacts for more people to see this video so that YouTube can also recommend my videos to more persons. And if okay, thank you and bye.